When was the first conflict start between the India-Pakistan subcontinent and the Arabian Peninsula, and which statement of Raja Dahar made Hajjaj bin Yusuf angry? If you are interested in these stories, stay connected to this video till end. Assalamu alaikum. I am Nasir Khan and you are watching my YouTube channel CSS My Vision. Contacts between India-Pakistan subcontinent and the Arabian Peninsula date from the ancient times. The coasts of Sindh and Southern Arabia are so near that the growth of close commercial relations between the two was inevitable. Since time immemorial, spices and the other articles of the Indies have been in great demand in Egypt and the countries of southern Europe. The transit trade between these areas was mostly in the hands of the Arabs, who used to carry Indian merchandise from the Indian ports to Yemen in southern Arabia, from where the goods were carried by the land to the Syrian ports to be shipped again to Egypt and Europe. This trade continued after the Arabs had embraced Islam. The first major conflict between the people of the Indian subcontinent and the Muslim of Arabia arose out of the developments connected with the Arab sailors playing in the Indian Ocean. They operated as far as Ceylon, Sri Lanka, and even farther, and when some of them died in that island, the local ruler thought it expedient to send their widows and orphans to Arabia with gifts and letters of goodwill for Hajjaj bin Yusuf, the governor of the Basra. Unfavorable winds drove the vessel carrying the gifts and the survivors close to the shore of Tabor, which is an island port of the modern Bambor and Tata. Here pirates attacked them and plundered the gifts and took the Muslims, women and the children as captives. Hajjaj bin Yusuf, on learning this, protested to Dahar, the ruler of the Sindh, and demanded the release of the prisoner and the restoration of the booty, but Raja Dahar showed no concern over the incident and replied that he did not have any control over the pirates. This muffled pronouncement of innocence was a big challenge to the pride of the Hajjaj bin Yusuf. What was the response of Hajjaj bin Yusuf at this muffled pronouncement of innocence, and how and who conquered the Sindh? If you are interested in these questions, then wait for the next episode. If you are new at my channel, then subscribe the channel. And thanks for watching. Allah Hafiz.